Everyone, this is Kiyo Vlogs, if you're actor, please here, get up there, baby, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa na ito reaction video. Ang daily bidlikaw ko kinilig sa sweet message ni Barbie Fortesa. So, once I get longer, excited ako makita to ay mapakinggan to. Sa kasi nangyari to kagabi. Di ba, if I'm not mistaken, and hindi na ako nakagawa ng reaction video dito. So, titignan natin to kung paano niya sinagot, kung ano yung mga tanong dito. So, without further ado, let's start this.
Okay, thank you.
Ay, ano to? Ano to, mami?
Thank you po. Thank you for those
Anong sagot? Ay, wait lang.
Love na. Are you in love right now?
Ay,
I'm in love with my life.
with my life. Very showbiz. Alam mo, he could have answered like, kung hindi naman talaga siya in love, hindi ako in love. Alam niya kung saan patungo eh. Alam niya kung saan, kung sino ang, kung ano yung laman eh. Hindi siya bobo. So alam niya kung ano ang tinutumbok ng isang interviewer eh. Pero kasi, ayaw niya sabihin hindi siya in love because he is in love. Pero sinabi na, I am in love with my life. Hindi niya diniretsyong sagot yun. Kasi kung hindi ka naman talaga in love, mabilis na naman talaga sabihin na, no, I'm not in love. Pero tinanong kasi yun ng interviewer because alam niya din kung ano ang laman na yun eh. It was referring to Barbie Fortesa for sure. But then again, he is being safe eh. He is being safe kung hindi naman talaga siya in love kay Barbie. Or kung hindi, kahit hindi na lang kay Barbie. Kahit sa iba na lang, kahit hindi naman talaga siya in love. He could have answered it. Pero so happen lang talaga na in love siya. And I'm pertaining to Barbie na in love siya because of the actions that we have saw or seen in the previous events, right? Showbiz.
Okay, thank you.
Ano na, David? Kaya pa ba?
questions po. So, we
Okay.
will go with the AVP.
AVP?
So, David, dito muna tayo sa site. So, mayroong presentation na ginawa ang Universal Records. So, yes, take the video.
Ay, may audiovisual pa pala. Sino kaya to? Sino kaya ang ano sa kanya? Sino kaya ang, what do you call this, ang... Oh, this is the music video? Oh, no. This is not the music video. Ito yung recording session ata nila. Okay. Okay. Ay! Oh, may fan. Oh, bakit si Barbie? Bakit si Barbie yung AVP? Bakit si Barbie yung AVP? Bakit si Barbie yung AVP? Kanta niya to. Ang galing. Ang galing lang. Ang galing lang. Ang gawa ni David. Kanta-kanta talaga siya. O kala mo naman talaga. Feel your touch. I wanna feel your touch. Feel niya na nga talaga. Alam mo, if you will gonna something like dissect the lyrics, kung ano yung actions niya doon sa Showtime, ganun na ganun.
Alright!
I wanna feel your touch pa, ha?
Process from the recording, DVD experience, mga
Okay.
gumawa ng choreography for your
Mm-mm.
song. Okay, so ano naman masasabi mo sa video na yun?
Ayan.
Grabe yung effort parang kasal. Kasi kanina nandun pa ako sa McDo.
Yes.
Pagbalik ko dito may
May video
video na.
na.
Parang kasal, diba? Yeah, thankful. Nakakatuwa. Nakita ko yung journey from the very beginning. Nag-voice lessons, nag-recording, and now being here and seeing all the tweets from people. Yeah.
At least masasabi mo talaga, no, ang dami nagkagusto doon sa kanta mo.
Nagustuhan mo ba?
Yes. Oo, sobrang.
Siyempre, lang sabihin mo hindi, lagot ka.
Hello.
Okay, isa.
Nakaka-LSS talaga yung song. So, aside from that video, meron pa tayo something special lined up. So, there are messages from people.
Okay.
So,
Ay, may messages.
and would
Patingin
like to
ako.
share a few words. So, let's watch this.
Ay, ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay, si Dennis. Si Dennis. Si Dennis.
Successful na entrepreneur, successful na artista, gusto pang agawan yung mga singers natin.
True. True.
Congratulations.
True.
Kita ko yung pagka mo nasa top 5 sa iTunes.
Ay, ang takay, wait lang.
Happy for you.
Top 5 sa iTunes. Maganda din naman kasi talaga yung kanta niya.
Yes, because I think I love it.
Hi David, congratulations on this new endeavor. Like mo, recording artist ka na. And I heard top 5 siya. Agad-agad yun ha. It's the only OPM song on iTunes. So congratulations. We are all happy for you. I think I love you now out. Hindi lang I think. Actually, sobrang ka naming love. So
Ay,
congratulations.
okay.
As David's
Okay.
manager, I have
Ito yung manager niya.
always talent from day one. True enough, from his humble beginnings as a Chinito heartthrob,
It's true. I couldn't agree more.
well-loved pambansang ginoo, and
Truths.
also gained renown as an award-winning actor and prolific brand ambassador. I believe that his post for even greater stardom.
Nakakatakot naman ang speech yung kanyang presidente, ang kanilang presidente, parang presidente, ang kanyang manager.
Thank you to David's fans for the
Mm.
unconditional love and support. And thank you also to Kathleen Go for making him part
Kathleen
of
Go.
the Universal Music family, the esteemed roster of talents. May your new single be the love anthem of today's millennial, and may you soon join the ranks of the new generation of OPM superstars.
Jackie here. Uy, congratulations for your very
Ay.
first single, I Think I Love You. Congratulations, more power to you. Deserve mo lahat ng blessings coming to you. Congrats, and I'll see you soon.
Congratulations, David, sa iyong single na I Think I Love You. I want you to know that I'm very, very proud of you. At sana magtuloy-tuloy ang iyong journey as a recording artist.
Ay,
Tuloy
si
mo
Barbie.
ang kanyang album.
Ganyan mo yung album.
Proud of you. And,
Ganyan mo yung album.
support you. Ingat ka palagi. Congratulations.
Ano sabi ni Barbie? Patingin ako ng mukha. Patingin ako ng mukha ni David.
Everyone sa video. So, Ms. Joy Marcelo, first Vice President for Sparkle GMA Artisan.
Oh, Vice President pala yun.
Arnold
Gwapo ni
Vergara,
David.
President of ALD Talent Management.
Gwapo ni David,
And of
no?
course, Gabby Garcia.
Ganda ng ano niya, ang photo niya.
So, ano naman
Barbie,
ang masasabi mo
iba
sa
yung
mga
smile niya pagdating kay Barbie.
Well, thank you.
Iba ang smile niya pagdating kay Barbie.
At natouch ako sa mga nag-video nga. I mean, syempre,
Mm-mm.
time pa rin yun, effort pa rin na mag-video sila. Kasi ako minsan tinatamad ako mag-video.
Ah,
Mag-video editing, di ba?
Tinatamad naman pala.
Thank you.
Bakit naman tinatamad?
So, I think we will wrap up our MediaCon for today.
Ay, tapos
so,
na?
ano yung message mo sa iyong fans and for everyone na nandito ngayon this afternoon?
To the fans, maraming salamat sa support niyo from lahat, from Maria Clara, to Pulang Araw, to maging sino ko man. Ano ba yun? And then now here, di ba? So maraming salamat sa support. Sana hindi kayo magsawa.
Ang gwapo ni David. Ay, hindi kami nagpasawa for today's video.
Dito naman kayo, di ba? David Troops. Thank you so much, guys.
David Troops.
And to the media, thank you so much for
May nahon talaga siya magsalita, no? Kala mo naman talaga.
dahil kayo yung tumutulong sa amin na mapromote ang aming mga shows, aming
Oh, I love that.
go recording. So
I love that. Very thankful siya.
Sa pag-edit,
Gusto ko siya. Gusto ko yun.
take ng videos. Na-appreciate ko kayong lahat. At sa mga TikTok creators, sa mga editors, thank you so much.
Sa mga
Yan,
editors.
sa sponsors, Close Up, Blue Water Days pa,
Vitamilk Sprite.
Vitamilk, Sprite, Sparkle, AMV, GMA Network. Also, Nathan Aves dito, maraming salamat for coming.
Sino pa yun?
Wala, hindi ginagawa.
Ana.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, thank you. Thank you so
Anyways, there you go guys. This is it for today's video. The message of what do you call this, David Barbie Protesta to David and other ano naman, gusto ko yung mga question and answer portion. Hanapin ko yung video. So this is Kiki Vlogs. See you in my next vlog. Bye.